So hello everyone, myself Aman and I am here to present a small presentation on a website which I have made during my construct week of Preply by Masai team. So I have created a clone of Brevo. So if you do not know much about Brevo, so Brevo is like a email or like a advertisement platform for us where we can grow our business and earn some money from there also. It will like a email campaign. So not going much into deep, let me share my screen then I'll explain more about it. So right here I will going to share my screen. So in first you can see that the like header part, like all the websites are having the same things. So here is a I have a login button and sign up button, both the button are working, and I have created a separate page for that also. After exploring this page I'll also go there and explain about that. So in the middle part you cannot see anything much complicated, like here I have added a simple hover effect, and this is all about that. And if the all buttons which I have placed here, these all buttons are working, and if I'll click here I'll go to redirect to the next page. And so in this div I have created, like if I'll click on any particular tag, so it will redirect and change our picture and text according to that. Here I have added a JavaScript objects file, and I have placed all the object into all I have placed all the pictures into an object. So if I'll click on any anchor tag, so it will redirect to that page and merge according to that. And here I have added a simple video tag, so moving images for and in the last section you can see that this all the Instagram, Twitter, the all logos are working. And if I'll click on YouTube, so I'll simply redirect to the Brevo official page of YouTube. And in the footer, like this all anchor tags are working. If I'll click anywhere I will redirect to the next page. If I'll click on marketing, then I'll redirect to that. So now it's not much nothing much complicated here. So let me explain about my sign up and login page. So if I'll go to sign up page and I'll click here, so here first of all like this page is created, I have created this. And if I'll click on email, so I have given my email aman.info, whatever I can see want to give. And in the password I have simply given 123. So if I'll create account, so I will got a pop-up like account created successfully, please log in to start. So after that if I'll go to the login page, this is my login page. And here I have created this login page, and here I am going to simply put my email and password which I given previously. So I have putting my password, and if I'll click on login, so I'll got a pop-up of login, and this is my dashboard which I have created. So this all the pages are the dashboard which I can see. Like there are only mainly four pages. One are the landing page and dashboard page. Then I have created a sign up page and login page. The four pages I have mainly created there. And if I'll click on logout, so I will redirect to the landing page. So I have also tried to make it responsible as much as I can. So if I'll like minimize the size of the screen, so you can see that I have got a hamburger bar here. So like for the small screen sizes, we always like seen that we are a hamburger, and this all like I have uses media query here to adjust my div according to that. And like I think nothing much here to explain. This all are working, and I have like it can be said that it is also responsive. So thank you so much for like your time, and let me end this meet. Thank you so much again.